how to create a Binance account. Binance account create. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can create a Binance account. And the first step is to click the top link down below this video, which is going to be either in the video description or in the pinned comment section down below for your convenience. You guys want to go ahead and make sure to click that top link down below, and you'll be taken to the official Binance website where you can sign up to create your Binance account. Now do keep in mind that the sign up page may look different over time depending on when you're watching this video, and that's because, you know, things do change in terms of like Binance maybe updating their design or like their website a little bit, but it's basically the exact same process. All you got to simply do is click the top link down below and you'll come to a page where you can sign up for a Binance account. And yeah, that's going to be the most important step. And the reason why I say that is because you want to make sure you go to the official Binance website, and most importantly as well, when you go through the special link down below, you actually get a referral code, which is going to enable you to get a 10% off discount on your trading fees. So when you're trading like quite a lot of cryptocurrencies, you know, these fees do add up in cost, and the referral code will allow you to get a discount on your fees attached to your accounts when you sign up for a Binance account for the link down below, so you can save on your fees as long as you have your account right here. So let's begin today's process. So we want to make sure to click through the link down below in the video description, like I just said before, and you'll click on sign up with email or phone. And then you want to make sure to put in your email. So I'm going to put in my email right here. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and click on next, as you can see right here. And then once you go ahead and do this, you want to obviously make sure to put in your email address and all type of stuff. It's going to ask for email verification. So please enter the 6-digit verification code that will send to your email. The code is going to be valid for 30 minutes. So let's go to my email address right over here. And as you can see, this is the account activation code. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy, and I'll put this over here into the email verification, and yeah, as you can see, we are good to go. So now at this point, we want to go ahead and create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and create a password right now, just real quick. I was asking for all this. Yeah, there we go. So we'll click on next, and that will be the first step of creating the account. And as you can see right here, guys, the referral code, like I mentioned in the video so far, like at the start of the video, is attached. So when you actually sign up through the link down below, the referral code will automatically be attached. And as you can see, now that you actually sign up through the referral code, you know, it's linked to your account basically, right? So your commission kickback rate is going to be 10%. So like I said, like when you actually trade, you actually get a 10% like discount on your fees. Also, if the referral ID isn't automatically attached, you can manually like copy and paste it. So I'm going to leave a copy of the referral code down below the video as well, so you can just copy and paste it manually. But that's like if worst comes to worst. But if you go through the link down below and sign up like we have through today's video so far, then there shouldn't be any issues. But yeah, that's basically arguably, if not the most important step, so you actually, you know, get the referral code discount of 10% attached to your account for your Binance account. So now that I've obviously gone ahead and done that, we can click on next. And as you can see, we are good to go. So it's just saying like stay logged in, you know, we can just, yeah, click on yes. So we'll just click on yes for now because I want to stay logged in. And as you can see, yeah, our account is created. So there are some other steps. So one of the most important steps is to go ahead and get verified. So as you can see right here, you know, you choose your country, residency, DORA, or wherever you're from, you know. So for now, I'm just gonna click on save and exit. But basically, before I go ahead and do that as well, this is very, very important. So this is gonna allow you to basically like actually use your Binance account to its full capacity. If you don't, it's gonna, you know, be heavily restricted. So you'll basically need, you know, your government issued ID. So this could be like a driver's license or, you know, something like that. You know, some people have like a national ID card in different countries. So anything like that. I think you'll need like a passport as well. You might need to also verify your physical address. So you might need some like utility bills. So do keep that in mind. For now, we can obviously skip this. So I just want to quickly show you all the other different things inside of your account to set up as well. But this is going to be by far the most important step, so you can actually fully use your Binance account. So we'll go ahead and exit this just for now. But what I also want to show you as well, like a very important thing, apart from like the identity verification, which we'll go over in just a moment, is the security. So when you actually go ahead and create an account, you want to make sure like once everything's like all set up that your account's secure, so no one can actually like hack into it or like steal your cryptocurrency funds, right? Because obviously that's the last thing you want to worry about. So there's actually a security checkup process. So the first thing you guys can go ahead and do is enable two-factor authentication, and this is going to basically make it where you have to do a couple extra steps to essentially go ahead and log into your account, right? So for example, to the two-factor authentication right here, to increase your account security, it is recommended that you enable two-factor, including Binance and Google Authenticator. And you can go ahead and do that right here. So I'll click on that right here. Click on Enable Authenticator app right here. We can actually begin the process. So obviously we got to go ahead and like verify our account. So like get our code. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So enter the code right here. And then basically what you guys want to go ahead and do is, this is going to be for your account obviously, but for my account, you want to link the authenticator. So you can either scan the QR code in the authenticator app, or you can just, put in this code as well. So if you're unable to scan the QR code, please enter this code manually into the app. So that's what you can go ahead and do. So go ahead and click on next. And then you just basically want to go ahead and verify the app code right here and link it to your Binance account. So that's something I'll strongly recommend you do just for your own security. It's going to be up to you obviously, but that's just personally, just good practice to do as well. There's also the anti-phishing code feature right here as well. So this basically, what is the anti-phishing code? It's an anti-phishing code is a code that helps to prevent phishing attempts from fake Binance websites or email addresses. So once you've set up your unique anti-phishing code, it'll be included in all official Binance emails. So if we click on create phishing code right here, we can just put in an example code. So this is legit, for example. It doesn't really matter what it is, but basically, like when you receive like emails from Binance, there's going to be like an anti-phishing code, which is going to be the code you input right here on screen, whatever you decide to put in. So this is kind of like an extra like reassurance, or like some sort of like extra layer of security to know that you're actually receiving it from like Binance themselves, and not some like impersonator trying to like hack into your accounts, or like trying to like get your information or whatever, right? So that's also something I'd recommend you guys do as well if you want to go ahead and do that. There's also the withdrawal whitelist. So if we go over here, you can whitelist certain addresses. So as you can see, easily access your saved addresses for withdrawals, save and write memos for each address. So that's going to be up to you as you use your Binance account in the future. You can also add passkeys, so like a UB key, and this is like a physical like USB looking device basically, where you have to like scan it on your computer or your phone to log into your Binance account. So if you have like a physical like UB key or something like that, you can, or a passkey, you can click on enable right here and connect that to your Binance account as well. So add passkeys including biometrics and security keys for a faster and more secure way to protect your account. So you can add like a passkey right here. So there's obviously little like benefits to it. No need to remember a password, works on all devices, keep your account safe. I think keeping your account safe is probably like the biggest benefit behind this, but you can also go ahead and do that. And these are some like the key things you can do to like set up the account creation inside of your Binance account, right? But of course, what we need to go ahead and do is do the identity verification. Okay, so as you can see, you're quite restricted, in terms of like what you can do. So you need to like verify your account. So if you click on get verified, you can go ahead and do that right here. So you'll choose your country. So let's just go with whatever's, on default, for example, for now. Doesn't really matter. Because I just want to quickly give you like a brief overview of like how it all works. So you're basically putting your nationality, your country or whatever. So let's just choose this, for example. You're putting your name. So let's just put in the name right here. You're putting your date of birth. So let's just put in date of birth right here. This is like more of an example just to show you like the process more or less. And then it's going to ask for like more information. So fill in your current residential address exactly as mentioned on your ID. So let's just put in test, continue. And then basically, as you can see right here, okay, it's going to ask for your document type. So it can be like a driver's license, a passport, national ID. So let's just go ahead and do that, for example. And then it's basically going to say you need to take pictures of your both sides of your government issued ID card or driver's license or whatever you choose. I'll give you some instructions. So if we go over here and choose driver's license, same thing. Take pictures of both sides of your driver's license, and yeah. So let's just go ahead and continue. Please select the way to complete the document verification. So you can take a photo with camera, upload the photos, or verify with Binance app. So apparently it is a lot more easier if you do it on your phone, via the Binance app. But it's going to be up to you. So you'd obviously take the photos, you upload it, and then once you go ahead and do that and confirm your details, you have to wait like maybe a couple of days or so. For some people, it can be quite quickly where your account gets verified and you can start using, your Binance account straight away, but it's going to differ from person to person. So yeah, that's just a quick video going over how to create your Binance account. I just want to go over the basics. This is obviously a demo account, so it's just like a test so I can go through a tutorial on what to do. It's pretty self-explanatory. Again, if you haven't signed up already, go ahead and sign up through the link down below so you can create your Binance account and also get that referral code where you get that discount attached to your account of 10%. So yeah, thanks for watching today's how to create a Binance account video tutorial. Cheers.